Hi friends, welcome to our Ingvita YouTube channel. Here I am your Krishna Reddy, and in this video clip we are going to review the book which is very useful for the all English literature students. The book name is A Background to the Study of English Literature, written by B.Prasad and revised by HariPriya Ramadoss. These both were well knowledgeable figures in the field of English literature. And about the book, I would like to mention four things. First, for whom the book is very useful. And second, the pros and cons of the book. I mean, advantages and disadvantages of the book. And in the third, we will know how to read the book. And in the last, we will see how much time is required to finish or understand this B.Prasad book. And this book is very useful for the all NET and SET aspirants and also the students who are wishing to join MA English degree in prestigious universities. So in their entrance exams for the MA English degree, they would get MCQs from the B.Prasad book. Second, the pros and cons of the book. I mean, the advantages and disadvantages of the book. In advantages, there are three advantages in reading this B.Prasad book. The first advantage is, as in a view to give a overall and outline idea about the what English literature is all about, B.Prasad and HariPriya Ramadoss compiled this book with three sections. In first section, it discusses about the poetry, and in the second, it discusses about the drama, and in the third, they discuss about the prose. And the advantage is, by reading all these sections, you would get an outline understanding of the what English literature is all about. And second advantage is, the language which is used in the book is very simple and easy. You can easily understand the topics which are in the book. And third advantage is the proper sequence in explaining the topics in the book. For example, if you take the classical movement in the poetry part, there is a beginning, middle and end of the topic. First, it discusses about how the classical movement arose in the English literature and how it has been diminished in the history of English literature. So there is a beginning and middle and also end for the topic. With this proper sequence, we can easily understand the topics. So these are the three advantages. First, you would get a brief or overall view about what English literature is all about. Second, there is a simple and easy language used in the explanation of each topic. And third, the proper sequence is there in explaining the topics. So these are the three advantages. And coming to the disadvantages, the first disadvantage is, as English literature is a vast and wide range of subject, it is impossible to compile everything in one book. So it gives a precise or brief idea about the English literature. Second disadvantage of this book is, as it is non-fiction work, I mean prose work, sometimes while reading the book you will get boredom, but if you keep the mindset that I am widening my knowledge in my subject, so if you have this feeling while reading this book will very interesting and you will grasp all the topics in the book in very easy way. And third thing in the book is how to read this book. I suggest you all, please go through the 3 times reading of any topic in the book. Select any topic, read it thrice. In first reading, you couldn't get anything. Even in second reading also, your understanding levels somewhat blurred. But in the third reading, you would get the joy in understanding of the particular topic. So crystal clear idea will be get with third reading. and while reading, underline the lines which you feel important and helpful in your understanding. This is how you read this B.Prasad book. And the last thing is, how much time is required to finish this book? For me, it took almost 120 hours. I planned to read this book daily 2 hours, and it will take almost 60 days, exactly 2 months. So I suggest you daily give 2 hours time to read this book, and within 2 months you can understand and complete this B.Prasad book. And this book is very helpful in your further understanding levels of English literature. Thus, this is about the B.Prasad book, a background to the study of English literature. And another thing that I want to mention, that I also prepared audio lectures for the each topic in the B.Prasad book. So the audio lectures link will be given in the description section. There you will access my all audio lectures on the B.Prasad book. So thank you. Please do subscribe to Ingvita YouTube channel and share and like, comment to our Ingvita YouTube channel. Thank you, friends.